Are you ready to see 25.1 in action? Let's do it. "25.1 is our newest update, and it's only applicable to our SaaS customers. Let's jump right in and first explore the major 25.1 initiatives, starting off with how we have improved the Workbench launcher to deliver a faster and more reliable experience, especially for users on the high latency networks. Our SaaS platform supports users around the world, including those in remote areas. But Workbench was initially designed for on-premises setups. That means cloud users sometimes experience slow startup times and unreliable connections. With 25.1, we've made key improvements to fix that with parallel downloads for faster performance, automatic retries for better connection reliability, and reduced downloads after step updates. These changes make Workbench faster and more reliable, especially for users on high latency networks. Now, Workbench better matches the modern SaaS experience, helping you work more efficiently with less hassle. Next, let's talk about how 25.1 helps manufacturers and brand owners stay informed and take action faster whenever managing product data. Getting products online quickly means staying on top of status changes. It also means knowing exactly what actions to take. But that hasn't always been easy. Users have struggled to track product statuses and to keep up with critical updates, whether when onboarding to a single retailer or when managing multiple marketplaces. With 25.1, we are making it easier with new dashboard capabilities such as email notifications for product status changes, a process overview for better transparency, and enhanced product status visibility across multiple markets and channels. These updates save time, reduce guesswork, and help teams bring products to market faster. With real-time alerts and clear insights, users can act quickly and keep product data up to date. Simply put, we've made it easier than ever to stay informed and to take action. But getting notified is just the first step. Once you're in the dashboard, how do you know what needs attention? What should be prioritized? That's where content coverage analytics comes into play. One big challenge for brands is knowing where their content gaps are. Without the right analytics, it's hard to see which product pages need improvement or where to focus efforts for the biggest impact. With 25.1, we're introducing content coverage analytics and enhanced content syndication. This new feature gives brands and manufacturers a clear overview of their content coverage, broken down by category and sales channel. By visualizing gaps, teams can take a more strategic approach to optimizing product listings. For product marketing managers, this means they can proactively improve content completeness. They can work towards company KPIs while ensuring engaging product stories reach the markets that matter most. Better content leads to better discoverability, higher conversions, and more sales. Once content gaps are identified, the next step is filling them efficiently. Some missing elements, like image keywords, can be time-consuming to manage manually. That's where our next innovation comes in. Many brands struggle to scale enhanced content because the manual effort is too high. A great example is Amazon's A+ content. To optimize images for searchability and accessibility, Amazon requires image keywords. Often, these keywords already exist as asset metadata in the PIM. But right now, they can't be mapped in enhanced content syndication templates. That means teams have to enter them manually, a slow and frustrating process. With 25.1, that changes. Product marketing managers can now map asset metadata, like AI-generated image keywords stored in STEP, directly to images in Amazon's content templates. This removes the need for manual input, making it faster and easier to create optimized content at scale. By automating image keyword mapping, brands can meet Amazon's requirements faster, improve content quality, and reduce time to market. With seamless image keyword mapping, brands can ensure their product content is complete and fully optimized. But great content is only part of the equation. Next, it needs to be efficiently distributed to retailers and marketplaces. That brings us to our next topic: retailer-agnostic content for configured channels. For global brands, sharing enhanced content with multiple retailers is a huge challenge. Each retailer, like Amazon, Walmart, and others, has its own content requirements. This forces brands to create different versions for each one. The result? Higher costs, inefficiencies, and inconsistent branding. With 25.1, that changes. Brands can now create retailer-agnostic enhanced content, a single version that works across multiple retailers. Instead of making separate versions, brands can reuse the same product stories in a standardized format. This is how it works. Retailers get a simple link that connects to existing data flows. This is powered by configured channels and the digital catalog using attribute mappings. This will cut costs, it will save time, and will keep branding consistent across all retail touchpoints. It will also make it easier for retailers to showcase rich, engaging product content without extra integration work. The result? Better shopping experiences, higher conversions, and more sales with less effort. Now let's talk about how we've improved our Salesforce integration to make it faster, certified, and more efficient. Salesforce is a leading CRM and a key hub for master data. While it already integrates with Step, customers need a certified, scalable solution, one that ensures seamless, bidirectional data sync without complex custom devs. With 25.1, we have further enhanced the Stibo Systems MDM connector for Salesforce with a certified Salesforce app for faster setup, best practice reference implementation to speed up adoption, support for merge scenarios and search before create in Salesforce, and the connector is optimized for Salesforce Lightning and future updates. These enhancements make Salesforce integration easier and faster, they reduce complexity, and ensure long-term integration. Now, customers can use a certified approach for a reliable, efficient data synchronization between Salesforce and Step. If you want an early access, please email sfdcconnector@stibosystems.com to express your interest. Up next, we have more 25.1 initiatives to share, so stay with us. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapters below. Otherwise, we'll be right back after this short Stibo Systems message.
Data leaders, innovators, and visionaries. This is your event. Get ready for Connect 2025, the must-attend master data management event of the year, happening in the vibrant city of Berlin. During 2 action-packed days, you will experience main stage keynotes featuring industry leaders, breakout sessions showcasing real-world success stories, fireside chats with top experts, the Connect Marketplace, where you can explore the latest partner innovations, and the Genius Bar for hands-on demos and one-to-one expert guidance. But wait, there's more. Sign up to be the first to receive exclusive discount pricing. Don't miss your chance to lock in the best deal on this can't-miss event. Do you have a game-changing story to share? We want to hear from you. Join the Connect 2025 speaker lineup and share your thought leadership, industry expertise, and real-world success using Stibo Systems solutions. So if you want to expand your network, if you're looking for inspiration, if you are after actionable insights, or all of the above, don't miss this unforgettable event and join us at Connect 2025. See you there.
Welcome back. Now, let's look at how we've made logging into STEP easier for managed user accounts. Many customers use external authentication, but some need accounts managed directly in STEP. Based on feedback, we've improved the logging experience to make it more intuitive, especially for environment identification, error messages, and multi-factor authentication, or MFA. Rolling out gradually to all SaaS customers, these updates include a modernized look and feel, clear environments identification, expanded error messages for better guidance, and a more streamlined MFA process. These changes make logging into STEP easier, more secure, and frustration-free. Moving on, let's see how we've improved business rule performance analysis in 25.1. Customers need clear visibility into system performance, but many don't know they can find business rule insights in the activity dashboard. Those who do often struggle with segmented data, making troubleshooting slow and inefficient. To solve this, 25.1 introduces a new performance analysis stream. This provides a unified view of business rule executions over time. Now it's easier to assess their impact on system performance. These improvements help customers spot inefficiencies, fix issues faster, and reduce support tickets. Next, let's focus on how we've made managing sensitive files easier in SaaS. Since 11.1, customers could manage certain configuration properties in the SaaS self-service UI. But sensitive files still had to be uploaded manually via SFTP. This caused confusion, security risks, and reliance on support. With 25.1, users can now upload sensitive files directly in the UI. This means no more SFTP uploads, no more support requests, and a secure encrypted storage with no external access. These enhancements make sensitive file management simpler and more secure, giving customers more control while reducing risks and effort. With 25.1, we've improved performance, stability, and traceability for data imports, matching, and merging. As data volumes grow, fast and accurate imports are more important than ever. That's why we've enhanced the Match and Merge Importer to deliver up to 50% faster imports with optimized data handling, better traceability for easier troubleshooting, and enhanced stability for reliable processing. These enhancements speed up imports, reduce slowdowns, and improve system visibility. Businesses can now trust their data and make decisions faster. The optimized importer is available to select customers. If you're interested, please contact your Stibo Systems representative. Now, let's look at how we have improved product data onboarding localization for global retailers and suppliers. While 24.4 introduced language-specific list of values, there's still a need for broader localization in multilingual workflows. With 25.1, we're expanding localization in onboarding channels to include attribute group names, category names, and unit of measure names. These enhancements make more data elements fully localized in product data onboarding. This will help suppliers work in their preferred language, reduce errors, and streamline onboarding. Now let's see how we are ensuring business continuity as AutoCare moves to a modern data format. As ASCII files are phased out, customers need a new way to import reference data. In 25.1, we're adding JSON support for AutoCare reference data. This ensures a smooth transition and seamless imports. A future phase will fully align with AutoCare's new architecture. And with that, we'll be right back after the short break with more 25.1 initiatives.
Are you ready to supercharge your STEP experience with the power of generative AI? Well, now you can with the Generative AI Accelerator Package from Stibo Systems. No extra components, no complicated installs, just pure AI magic right inside STEP. In just 2 weeks, you'll be generating product descriptions, images, and even translations, all with your data, your prompts, and your preferred AI service. It's fast, it's easy, and it's happening now. Reach out to your Stibo Systems representative to get started today.
Attention all Stibo Systems users. Big news. Ideas 2.0 is here. We're replacing our old Jira-based enhancement request process with something bigger, better, and more collaborative, the Community's Ideas 2.0 module. That's right. Now you have the power to submit ideas, upvote your favorites, and discuss with peers, all in one transparent, interactive space. And guess what? Our product team is listening. Starting mid-March, all new enhancement requests must be submitted via Ideas 2.0. But don't worry, your previous requests are still under review. Thanks for helping us share the future of your solution, your ideas, your voice, your community.
After AI, after Ideas 2.0, let's now talk UI. Since 23.3, we have been improving our solution with a modern UI, better workflows, and smarter data management. Each update has made the user experience and efficiency better. With 25.1, we're introducing key improvements to make interactions simpler, processes faster, and usability better. And we're not stopping here. More updates are coming. Businesses need faster and easier ways to manage product data and to streamline approvals. Managing workflows, ensuring data accuracy, and reducing inefficiencies are still big challenges. We've been addressing these, and in 25.1, we're taking another step forward by adding 3 key improvements. The first one is about creating objects and workflows. Users can now create and start multiple objects and workflows, making sure the data is accurate and therefore reducing errors. The second improvement is about approval from search results. Users can now approve items from search results, making maintenance easier and removing extra steps. And the third improvement is around better tab display. Role-specific UI customization lets users see only the most relevant tabs, making navigation faster. These enhancements are making STEP more user-friendly, they reduce complexity, and they boost productivity. Users can now finish tasks faster, with fewer clicks, and more accuracy. With 25.1, we keep improving STEP to meet evolving business needs, with more to come in future updates. This wraps up our 25.1 show and tell. Now it's your turn to grab and to try this update before we release 25.2 in June. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like these videos.